This year's the first year that we've had like plenty of water. So we've kind of put some water on the gardens to help build the soil. So here it is, the end of July, and this rhubarb is very happy. This asparagus is very happy. These potatoes are kind of gone crazy. This is only like 3 potato plants, I think, but I don't know, maybe it's some volunteers from last year. Lots of potatoes. But it's only, I don't know, a week ago or so that we started actually watering things, and they seem to appreciate it a lot. Oh yeah, we've got an infestation of kittens. Oh, and there's one.